Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in One Finance. So if you also want to log in One Finance, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also open the application if you want. If you've opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in www.one.app, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of One Finance. From here you'll be able to log into your account. If you want to download the One app, for that you can simply enter your phone number over here. After that, click on the option send download link. After that, you'll be able to download the One application. If you do not have an account, simply click on the option join One. After that, you'll be able to create the One Finance account. But if you already have an account and if you want to sign in to your account, click on the option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. From here you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can either sign in with phone number or you can also sign in with email. If you want to sign in with phone number, simply enter the phone number over here. After that, a confirmation code will be sent to your phone number. After you enter the confirmation code, you'll be able to log into your account. Or you can also sign in with your email instead. Simply click on the option sign in with your email. After that, you can see over here, you'll be able to sign in with your email. Simply enter your email address over here. Make sure to enter the registered email address. After that, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. A verification code will be sent to your email address. All you have to do is open Gmail. Simply go to new tab. Now click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. After that, you can see over here Gmail will be opened. You can see over here One Finance has sent me an email. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to see the verification code over here. Memorize this code, go back to the One Finance tab. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Now after entering the code, you'll be signed into your account, or you can also prompt it to enter your username and password. After that, you'll be signed into your account. So that is how you log in One Finance. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.